It's 2026. Why are you still right-clicking Rename? Stop organizing files manually. Meet RenameIQ Pro, your AI-powered filing clerk that organizes thousands of files in minutes. Let's look at the core magic, batch intelligence. Whether you have 10 files or 100, simply drag and drop them directly into the application window. RenameIQ doesn't just look at file names. It actually reads the document. It utilizes 8 specialized classification models to automatically identify invoices, receipts, bank statements, and even NDAs. Click Analyze Files and watch it work. The AI instantly detects the document type, extracts the original creation date, and identifies the vendor. It's also a multi-language expert. It automatically detects English, German, French, and Spanish documents in the same batch. Best of all, this is 100% offline. Unlike other AI tools, your private contracts and financial data never leave your device. Once you're happy with the preview, just hit Execute Rename and you are done. Your filing system is unique, so RenameIQ is fully customizable. Click the Settings gear to tailor your experience. You can set specific rules for different departments using the finance, legal, and logistics profiles. For finance, you might want the vendor name first. For legal, perhaps the execution date matters most. You control the separators, character casing, and even the date format. You set the rules, the AI follows them. Want to be completely hands-off? Enable Autopilot Mode. Go to the Developer menu and select a Watch folder, like your Downloads directory. Then, just minimize RenameIQ to your system tray. Now, whenever you save a generic PDF to that folder, RenameIQ intercepts it. It analyzes and renames the file instantly, the second it hits your drive. It organizes your files in the background so you can stay focused on real work. Sometimes, you might encounter a document with a unique logo that the AI doesn't recognize immediately. This is where smart training comes in. If the AI misses a vendor, don't rename it manually. Right-click the file and select Train Template. This opens the template zone. Simply draw a red box around the specific area where the vendor name or logo appears. Tag it and click Save. RenameIQ learns from this. Next time it sees this document layout, it will check that specific zone first. You teach it once, and you never have to correct it twice. It captures more than just the name. If you switch the document type or language here, the AI locks that preference in. Future scans of this vendor will automatically default to the correct language and category, ensuring your filing is perfect every time. Finally, RenameIQ does more than just rename. It turns your folders into data. Once your files are processed, use the Export to Excel feature. This instantly generates a list of every vendor, date, and total amount from your batch. It is the perfect tool for preparing reports for your accountant without opening a single file. Get your time back today. Download RenameIQ Pro.